aria toko igwe wandigagira ciana ngoneka hana mburi bululu riu a Kenya maikarite semba metereire na hahu nene uria wari muthuri wa mucii wa Kinyari ugwitwo Sir William Wachira arekererie cai muhiu taketi of the year wigi uria mutumia wake amuherithagia mekihiko-ini. William auburite ati riu ni ekwaria amukingoro gitihotanaga na ati no haria onire akire nigetha amenyerere ngoro ya muka indi nake wa Kinyari augite ati ona ndarakimaka Wachira arie mothe aonge yote imtoke amuona ke no ende kumenya mwena wake wa rugano igwa Kinyarori Ngai. Oho uhoro ukaubuka ati wa mucii ni aconorithagia Wachira kwi arata ake na njira ya kumutigira ciana aikare nacio makinyua kindu na arata ake ona ringi akamugucania akamukururia mainuke undu uria watumaga arata asa mamurigithanie na mburime woisaigio keto kunywe amona hinda ria kwinyerekia ni thiru riu awisho ine. I saved some people's reputation by not telling my side of the story. Bad people usually destroy themselves in the process of trying to destroy you. Nake wa mucii arakimwira Sir William Wachira, it's the high time you address the nation. Nataka upeane story leo. I would also want to know. Haya. Nake Joseph arauga ati me kwanza when I remember how you would be dragged out of our hangouts ama unaretewa watoto wakukalisha tukunywe donago hana bori. Nake William arauga ati this witness needs to be protected. Kai mwathani Jesu. Nake wa mucii aracoka arauga ati ai baba arie tukunywe hii chai once and for all. It is the high time he addresses the nation. Nake Sheri aramera ati tiga haro kia kita mutumia mugi ithui tutiri na kihonia kianyu no inyue eri tondu mukiaje tutiari ho ona andu anyu matiari ho munyende kana mumene tiga yurimu na ndire na oru ni kuri rucio tigai marakara ni mutino gikombe giaku atikurira turiraga no kugura kingi kwi hindi mukoria na rikorwo ndiaugite u. Nake PK yaroiga ati muthuri nayu Tiriza aroiga ati iseme kama baya baya. Tiriza aroiga ati muthuri nyina wa ciana amesema you talk. Nake Rizia aroiga ati I never thought you are this childish. Ukiatwa chika muthuri doino care post magana within a day trying guthukiria mother of your kids like really who kai sono kamuno athuri amwe mabatie gutharukio thuthu tunywe Ngai ucio mani aria uru anyway. Nake Damayo Gini aroiga ati yani kila mtu hapa anapiga boy show ni lini mtoto kijana atawahi sikizwa. Mungu ndio anajua sababu ya huyu mzee kuongea and please mwachani ahiu. I wish ningekuwa namjua nikae chini na yeye ni mholdi space aongee yote cause inakaa hayuko sawa kabisa. Kuna vitu ana go through lakini juni mwanaume anavumilia. Na muthuri ndukariereke eikarie tondu etereire ume na ndeto muthuri mugeni wikirire. Nake Will aramwira ati William Wachira just zip up, it's the best weapon. I fear this church women again mashaito but they don't ever leave mwathani agoso behind. In fact they are so submissive to church matters. When they get back home they become real devils. I have seen them in my day-to-day workplace for a long time and you just wonder kama ni yeye alikuwa anacheka hivyo kanisani. I am not judging anyone though. Haya saiwegi ukange anyway. Geri Fotera seseni ya museneneko kuma hathini wa YouTube gikuria na gitio tukia wa subscribe go share na go comment kenda wa video ino na ndukariganirwo ni guturumirira thini wa TikTok na Facebook museneneko ni jitago museneneki wigatu.